Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell whenever I upload a new video. Today I'll be making akara. They call it beans cake. Follow me with your eyes as we go and make the akara. Bye. Later. See you later. Ciao. Guys, look at the beans. I finished washing it. Remember, I'm making akara, so look at the ingredient I put. I put pepper, onions, and crayfish. And look at it, I finished grinding and I'm ready to fry. I put oil inside the pan and I'm trying to see if the oil is ready. So I put a little small of the mixture inside to see if the oil is ready. Guys, I want to start frying. Can you see, guys? I've put the mixture inside. I'm making beans cake called akara. Can you all see it? Guys, if you go and buy this thing outside, it's very expensive, 100 naira. And sometimes when you buy it, sand, you will not be able to eat it. Mommies that are watching me, please make akara for your children. Don't waste your money. If you have beans at home, very cheap, take beans, soak it, put pepper, put onions. If you want to put crayfish or egg, you can put. Grind it and come and make it very cheap, and your children will eat and get satisfied. They can even eat as much as they can. Not when you go and buy, your children will not be satisfied. After eating, you'll be tasting sand inside. You'll not be able to enjoy it and be wasting money. Can you see? This one is just 2 cups. So, and look at the number of akara I fried from just 2 cups. Guys, just watch me as I fry. I'm so happy that I achieved this today, guys. I've been procrastinating every day. I was saying I want to make akara. I will not do it. I said today is today. See that procrastinating spirit, I'm going to kill it. So look at me, guys. When you're after frying the akara, leave it in the fire for some time, the oil for some time. Make sure it's well done inside. Okay, make sure it's very brown and it's done inside, so that when you start eating it, you like it. Because if it's not done inside, when you eat it, sometimes you might even purge self. So make sure it's done. The inside is done. Leave it in the oil for a while. Let the body be brown very well. Look at my sweet akara. I love it. Guys, look at me bringing out the akara. I want to yum it. I'm so excited today. There's nothing like eating what you really love to eat. There's nothing like that. Look at me frying the second round. This is just 2 cups. So just imagine that your mommy at home and you just wash 3 cups and fry. You have akara everywhere. They're going to buy that akara outside. Please, mommies, let's help ourselves. Guys, this is my akara. Can you see? And I'm ready to eat. Guys, look at me now. I said, okay, well, today I'm going to eat my akara with bread. I don't want to take pap. Because, guys, I realized that most times when I take pap, I will sleep. And I have things to do. How can somebody be sleeping in the afternoon? I said, no, I beg. Let me just use bread, Biko. Guys, if you see how sweet this thing is, very delicious, and the akara is hot. I put it inside this bread. They call this kind of bread burger bread. Guys, as I'm eating it, it's as if I'm on top of the moon. Guys, have you ever tried this combo before? Akara and bread. Hot akara and bread. Please try. Have you tried it before? If you've tried it, please kindly write it in the comment section if you've tried akara and bread before. This combo, very delicious, very sweet. Look at me, yumming my thing. See you in my next video.